Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy coconut cream pie. It's totally no bake. It has an Oreo cookie crust with coconut cream pudding, whipped cream, and toasted coconut. It's delicious. If you're a coconut lover, you're not going to want to miss this recipe. I love making easy no-bake pie recipes all year long, and this one is one of the easiest. It starts with a golden Oreo crust, but you could use graham cracker or shortbread or whatever no-bake crust you like. It's filled with coconut cream pudding that's easy from a box, but I'm going to show you how to jazz it up a little bit. And then it's topped with fresh whipped cream, or you can use Cool Whip, and lots of toasted coconut. This is a coconut lover's pie delight. For more desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Now, a coconut cream pie will go with any kind of crust. You can blind bake one, but then it wouldn't be no bake. You could use a graham cracker or a shortbread crust, but today we're gonna use Golden Oreos. I love Oreo crust, and I especially love a Golden Oreo crust. If I'm being honest, I probably love Golden Oreos more than I love regular ones. So let's make our Golden Oreo crust. This is the only recipe I use. I use it with any Oreo, by the way, but today we're gonna use Golden Oreos perfect for our coconut cream pie. To make your crust, all you need to do is add 25 Golden Oreos into your food processor. Now, you do not need to remove the cream. That is one of the most popular questions I get whenever I post anything with an Oreo cookie pie recipe with the Oreo cookie crust, is people ask me, do you need to remove the filling from the cookies? And the answer is no. Some people might, but I don't have that kind of time. I just wanna throw them in the food processor and make the crust and get on with my day. I don't have time to open cookies and scrape out filling, although I would love eating that pile of filling afterwards. So you don't have to remove the filling. That's the one thing I love about using the food processor to make this pie crust. Pulse it or run it until it's a nice fine crumb. You might have to pulse it a few times because there'll be some chunks of Oreos that don't wanna break up. Once you have your crumbs, you're going to add all of the crumbs to 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter. You could use salted if you want, but go ahead and melt the 5 tablespoons and then stir in the cookie crumbs. I like using a fork to get all those crumbs incorporated. And then pour it into whatever pie plate you're gonna use. This recipe fits a 9-inch pie plate. So if you're using a smaller one, it'll be too thick. So definitely use a 9-inch pie plate for this. And just go ahead and use your hands to press it down in the center and around the edges. And then you're going to chill the crust until it is nice and set and your filling is ready to add. You're gonna add those 2 boxes of pudding mix to 3.5 cups of non-fat milk. Now, a couple notes. Make sure that you're using 2 3.4 ounce boxes of instant pudding mix, not the larger boxes. I'm using coconut cream pudding mix, but if you can't find that, you definitely can use vanilla and just add a little bit of coconut extract. And make sure that it's instant, not cooked pudding. So make sure on the box it says instant pudding mix. Simply whisk until the pudding is dissolved and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's nice and set. It'll be a soft set at this point. Then you're gonna stir in 2 cups of sweetened shredded coconut. That's the kind you just get in the baking aisle. And that's it. That's all you need for the filling of this pie. Now, if you're using vanilla instant pudding mix because you can't find the coconut, simply add 1 teaspoon of coconut extract to the pie filling mixture. Once your filling's done, add the filling to the chilled pie crust. Then I'm gonna wrap that in plastic wrap and I'm gonna chill it for at least 3 hours until it's nice and set. Once you're ready to serve your pie, it's time to top it. Now for this, we're gonna use whipped cream or Cool Whip and toasted coconut. While your pie is chilling, let's prepare the topping. Now I'm using Cool Whip today because I don't feel like making whipped cream, but you could definitely make a fresh whipped cream using heavy whipping cream and some powdered sugar. It's really easy. And we're going to toast some coconut for the top. To toast your coconut, I like to do this in a pan on the stove top, like just use a simple frying pan. I don't like to toast coconut in the oven because it burns really, really quickly and fast. And burned coconut smells horrible and will make your kitchen smell for days. So just do it in a frying pan on the stovetop, stir it constantly. It will smoke a little bit, but just keep moving around. Do it over medium-low heat for just a few minutes until the coconut is nice and golden. And then immediately remove it from the pan to a bowl so it can cool. When it's time to assemble your pie, just top it with the whipped cream or Cool Whip, and then sprinkle your toasted coconut all over the top. That's it. Now our pie is ready to serve. I'm gonna slice it and we're gonna taste it. The bottom crust is gonna be nice and compact because it's been in the refrigerator for so long, so make sure you slice all the way through it. Okay, we have our slice of pie here. Smells delicious. Oh my gosh, I love that we used a Golden Oreo crust. Remember, you can use graham cracker or shortbread or anything you like, but I love Golden Oreos mixed with coconut. Too big of a bite. The crust is crunchy, that telltale like Golden Oreo flavor. You can really taste that coconut in the filling. This is like a dangerous pie. It's one of those ones with that pudding filling that's just gonna go down easy and like take up all the air space in your stomach. You're not even gonna see that you're full. This is delicious. Okay, I am going to go serve this while you keep watching, and leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite no-bake pie is.